How to disable Cam scanner ads without paying. If you want to disable a Cam scanner ad, definitely without upgrading to a premium account, what you are going to do is you are going to download two applications. We have NetGuard. So these applications are going to prepare you firewalls. So the firewalls are going to stop the ads from getting into not only your Cam scanner, also other apps that you use on your phone. So go to your Play Store, download NetGuard, install it, and then turn it on. It will be a firewall against all ads. That is how you can disable ads on Cam scanner and also on your phone. It only works with Android. You're welcome.